Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible different types hallway entrance color ideas. Let's start. There are many beautiful color styles for a hallway entrance, depending on the atmosphere you want to create. Here are some popular choices. First, warm white. Makes the entrance feel bright, clean, and welcoming. Next, shades cream. Creates a calm, natural, cottage-inspired look. You use gray plus beige, for a timeless neutral that works with almost any decor. Use navy blue, adds elegance, and creates the bold first impression. Terracotta gives the space warmth and a cozy Mediterranean feel. Charcoal grey for modern and sophisticated, especially with light wood accents. Use soft beige for warm and inviting, ideal for traditional or farmhouse homes. Use dusty blue for relaxing and perfect for coastal or vintage interiors. Use olive green for rich, earthy, and pairs beautifully with wood furniture. Use light tube for a subtle neutral that makes the hallway feel comfortable and stylish. If you love vintage cottage or farmhouse decor, some of the best hallway entrance colors are shades cream, warm white, cream, soft beige, dusty blue, or olive green. These colors create a cozy, welcoming entrance and pair beautifully with wooden benches, oven baskets, vintage mirrors, and greenery. Choosing the right hallway entrance color is important because it creates the first impression of your home. Here are more color ideas and where they work best. First, cream for warm, soft, and timeless, perfect for vintage cottage and farmhouse interiors. Looks beautiful with antique wood furniture and brass accents. Use soft beige, creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Works well in both small and large hallways. Pairs nicely with oven baskets, natural wood, and linen decor. Use light gray for clean, modern, and elegant. Makes colorful artwork and mirrors stand out. Great for contemporary homes. Use muted olive green for earthy and calming. Complements oak furniture, plants, and black metal accents. Ideal for rustic and country style homes. Use dusty blue, fresh and peaceful. Brightens narrow hallways while adding subtle color. Looks great with white trim and light wood flooring. Use deep forest green for rich and luxurious, best for larger entrance. With plenty of natural light, pair with gold-framed mirrors and warm lighting for a dramatic look. Use black and white for a classic timeless combination. White walls with black doors or trim create a striking entrance, suitable for both modern and traditional homes. Use warm terracotta for adds warmth and character, perfect for Mediterranean, boho, and rustic interiors. Look best with natural materials like wood, rattan, and clay pots. Tips for choosing a hallway entrance color. A small hallway, use light colors like cream, warm white, or soft gray to make it feel larger. Large hallway, you can use darker shades like forest green or navy blue for a cozy feel. Low natural light, choose warm whites, beige, or light grays to brighten the space. Sunny hallway, both light and dark colors work well, so you have more flexibility. For a vintage farmhouse or cottage style entrance, a combination of cream walls, shades cream accent, natural wood furniture, a vintage mirror, oven baskets, and warm lighting creates a timeless and inviting look. The color of your hallway entrance affects not only how it looks, but also how people feel when they enter your home. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.